Let us continue with our lesson over here. And in this particular lesson, let us try to connect to another WebSocket endpoint over here that will give us the real-time price change update. So we want to get the price change update for each product that we pass in. So we want to go over here. Once we click on this particular BTC to GBP, we want to get pass it over here and we want to get the price, the real-time price update for that one. So let's go and see how we can implement this. So let's go back over here, and I guess we will make use of the repository pattern as well for this one. And most of the thing over here will remain the same over here, so we don't have to go and redo everything from scratch over here. Actually, it's the same concept that we will implement over here. So let's go over here, and I guess I'll just go and copy everything from here. So let me just go and create the new file. First of all, that will be of the coin, and that will be coin price, right? Or the product price, or you can just say the coin underscore the price, and then the repository or repository dot the dot file over here. And let me just go and copy the every code from here for the class. Just copy this over here, or okay, so let's just copy this one from here, and let's go to here, and let's just go and pass it over here. The only difference over to this one will be we require to pass in some the product IDs to this particular class. So we want to pass in this product ID over here as well, right? So let's go over to here. So let's just go and escape that, and on to the top over here. So let's just go and import all of the packages that we require over here. And I also require this one as well. So let's just go and import that. Let's import the stream controller, and I guess that should be fine over here. And now let's go and change the coin status repository to the, I guess this is the coin. Okay, so this is not that, so it's spelling correct, the incorrect over here, coin base, or the this should be of the price over here as well, right? So sorry for that, I made a mistake over here. So it should be of the price repository over here. So now we can just go into Coinbase. This will be of the price, and instead of recreating from scratch, I just copied it, so that's why. And if you want, you can just go and recreate that one, because that is how you will learn everything from scratch again. So now once we have this Coinbase price repository over here, the next thing is that we need to pass in not only the channel over here. So if you go over here, the WebSocket connection, we also need one more, that will be final, 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 that will be of the list of the strings, right? And that will be of the product IDs. So let's just go and say the PRODUC, the product IDs over here, and that is what we require over here. And let's just go and pass in that one over here, this dot the product ID over here. This is what we need to pass in. If you check this particular request, we need to pass that in the list of the product IDs, but we are just going to pass one. So let's just go and make use of this one to somewhere below over here. So I guess we need to fix this one as well. So once we have the product IDs, I need to import this one as well. So let's just go and import that and subscribe to the status over here. So that is what we have now. We need to subscribe to the price over here, right? So price, real-time price update, and this requires the product IDs over here. So let's just go back over here. We need to subscribe over here, and then the product IDs, and we are going to pass in the product IDs over here. Subscribe to this one should be of the price over here. We want to subscribe to the price over here, and make sure that it's the channel type each of the ticker over here. So let's just go and rename that over here, and I'll just pass in the ticker. So make sure the request is same over here. Only this is what we are not hard coding. We are passing it through the constructor over here. So now we have the channels, and then the channels each of the tickers over here. So that is what we have. That's cool. And rest will remain the same over here. Nothing changed over there other than that. And now unsubscribe to the price. So this should be of the unsubscribe to the price, and it's the same. Unsubscribe over here channel. Then the heartbeat will be channel will be of the ticker. So let's just go and remove that. So here I need to pass in that one over here as well, over here, and let's just go and pass that one, the unsubscribe to the channel of the ticker over here. And I guess that should be the one. So we also need to import, or let's just go and remove this one from here. So that should be fine. And we just want to add that one, and I guess that should be fine as well. So everything will remain the same. So we just have to um, go and change the subscribe and unsubscribe method over here. We want to subscribe and unsubscribe method should be changed over here as well. And now what we need to do for this one is we need to create the provider over here. So in the provider, it's a bit different compared to the previous one. What we need to do is we need to pass in the product ID, right? So we need to pass in the product ID. So let's make use of the Riverpod code generator. So add the Riverpod over here, and add Riverpod, and then this is going to return us the not the string as the rem stream over here. And I'll just go and give the name for this one will be of the Coinbase, and let's see, price repository. I guess we have that name over here already. So let's just go and I just need to go and say this one lowercase, and I need to import the Riverpod over here, the Riverpod annotation. So add the Riverpod over here, and I guess I need to import it over here and import the Riverpod annotations. Riverpod annotation, that is what we need to import, and can only be used with the class at the top level. I guess that should be fine for now. We need to just go and pass in the create the function over here. That should fix that particular issue. So we have the Coinbase ref, and now we need to generate this one. So let's just go into the top. I need to create the part file over here, and part file will be Coinbase price repository.dg.d dot file. That's perfectly fine. And now instead of only passing this ref as the argument over here, we also need to pass in the list of the string of the products, right? So product IDs that we need to pass in over here. And now I'll just go and construct the let's see, final. And what we require is the WebSocket connection, and then I just go and pass in this one over here. So I need to go and copy this, and here I guess we have some error, and this is giving us some error over here. Let's try to fix what went wrong over here. Can be written from the, okay, so it's not written from here because we need to return a string for that one. Sorry for that one. So I'll just go and say create the constructor final, and I'll just go and say the Coinbase price repository, and now you know that we need to return from that is the stream over here, and that should be good enough over here. So now we need to go and generate this particular code, if you can remember. So let's say Flutter pub run, and then the build runner over here, build underscore the runner, right? Build runner, build dash d. So let's just go and rerun that. Let's generate the our provider code over here. And I guess that should be good enough. And we have some lint error. The value of the field unsubscribe isn't used. try removing the field or using it. I guess we have used it somewhere below over here, right? And for this case, let's go and take a look over here. So subscribe to a price. And also I'll just go and check for one more condition. If dispose or, right, if it is unsubscribed, it's subscribed already, then we don't have to go and subscribe again. So if the subscribe is already true, then we don't want to go and check that particular condition or run that particular code again. And here I guess that it's already correct. So if subscribed already or and it's not subscribed, right, so that should be good enough. And we will do the same thing over here. So let's try to go and fix that the lint error over here. And over here I will just go and make use of the or condition is subscribed, and let's go to the unsubscribed over here, and let's just go and change the condition. If it is not subscribed, right, then just go and return it from here. So that should be good enough. And now we have our repository over here. So this is cool. And now what I need to do is, if you can remember, so let's just go and complete this one. So let's just go and copy the same code from here. So let's just go and copy all of this. It's not required to copy all. You can just go and copy only the dispose from here. That's also perfectly fine. And I will just go and pass it below over here. And now I need to go and call that unsubscribe. And I also need to go and dispose that one over here as well. So unsubscribe to not the status, but it should be of the price over here. Or if you want, you can just go and say the subscribe and unsubscribe, so that you don't have to go and rename it everywhere. So just go and add that one. So let's just go and add the foundation over here. So this just for the luck purpose. I want to go and see if validate it or not. But if you are building a real application, make sure not to add all of those information. It's not required. So that should be good enough. Now we have the repository, and your homework will be to add the view model now. So next is to create the view model for that one. So let's meet up in the next one. Till then, have a great day.